What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video we'll be talking about nested conditional statements. When we talk about nested conditional statements, we're just talking about a conditional statement inside another conditional statement. So for example, if we do let's create a variable. Let's say a equals 10 and b equals 15. So a couple of videos ago we talked about conditional statements. So let's do if a is less than 20. Now we're just nesting this, and by doing that we're just putting another conditional statement inside of this outside one. So we can do if b is less than 20, then we can do a task. Okay, so let's do print yet. So if this is true, then it's going to move on to the second conditional statement. If this is true, then it's going to print the task. So both of these are true, so we expect this to print yet. And we can see that if we say if b is less than, let's say, 10, so now this is false, it's not going to print anything. The same thing, if this is true but this is false, then it's not going to print anything as well. So if both of these are true, it's going to print yay. Okay, so that's a pretty straightforward, pretty basic introductory to nested if statements, or nested conditional statements, I should say. We can also expand upon this. So now we can also implement else, print no. Okay, so again, both of these are true, print yay. If one of these is false, printing no. Okay, so pretty straightforward. I just wanted to introduce you to nested conditional statements is possible. In the next video I'm going to talk about nested loops. So like we can put a conditional statement inside of another conditional statement. We can put loops inside of loops. Okay, but if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.